Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to connect Google Sheets with Looker Studio, the full step-by-step guide for 2026. This is one of the most common and useful setups, and especially if you already store data in Sheets and want to turn it into clean dashboards. So yeah, let's get started. First, open Looker Studio and sign in with your Google account. On the home screen, click Create, then choose Report. This opens a blank report where you'll build your dashboard. Now click Add Data. A list of connectors appears. Select Google Sheets from the Google Connectors section. Looker Studio will show all the spreadsheets available in your Google Drive. Choose the file you want to use, then select the specific sheet tab inside that file. Before adding it, check the options carefully. Make sure the box for Use First Row as Headers is enabled, so Looker Studio understands your column names correctly, then click Add and confirm Add to Report. Your Google Sheets data is now connected. Once connected, add a chart to test the data. Click Add a Chart and start with a simple table or bar chart. Looker Studio automatically pulls in your sheet columns as dimensions and metrics. If something looks wrong, you can adjust field types in the data source settings. One great thing about using Google Sheets is that the data updates automatically. When you edit the spreadsheet, Looker Studio refreshes the data in your report, and sometimes instantly or after a short delay. You can also manually refresh the data if needed. If you need to reconnect or change the sheet later, click Resource, then Manage Added Data Sources. From there, you can edit, replace, or remove the Google Sheets connection. Before sharing your dashboard, click View to preview everything and make sure charts load correctly. Then click Share and choose who can view or edit the report. So yeah, that's the full guide to connecting Google Sheets with Looker Studio in 2026. Once you master this connection, building dashboards becomes fast, flexible, and super powerful. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting!